Hey guys, it's me Minori and my pet Bear Max. Welcome back to my channel. Hi! So, as you can see, we're currently inside this random room. It's actually a portable room in my yard. Anyways, I think you can tell, but it's under construction. Like the walls and everything is just not done yet. Since we're gonna put wallpaper on top, we can do anything we want on the walls. To me, it's just blank canvas. So I know this is so random, but I thought to myself, it'll be so fun to draw all over the wall. And here, I have some gachas with animes written inside. Just random super popular animes. And whatever I'm gonna get, I'm gonna draw on the wall. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right in. Gacha choose animes to draw on the wall. Let's get started. Okay, let me give you a quick tour. So we have a window right here, and the wall. We literally have nothing here yet. And if you go to the right, my favorite feature of this room, the glass walls. And if you go to the right, that's my house. The ceiling looks something like this. We have no lights yet, so I have to work with natural lighting. By the way guys, I'm not trying to go for a masterpiece. Like I said, we're going to cover it with wallpaper. It's just for fun. I hope you guys like it. So, here's the coin. Let's do this. So the first anime is going to be the reveal. Okay, it is going to be Naruto. I mean, who doesn't like Naruto? My childhood anime. Okay, what to draw? Let me Google Naruto. I'm going to use a pencil first to do a quick draft. Can you guys even see the draft through the camera? And I think I'm going to time myself. It's currently 1 p.m. Okay, let me redraw it. Going big is actually really hard. Like, it's really hard to get all the proportions right. So it's a good practice to draw really big. Oh no! I don't know if I can reach the top of his head. Okay, found the stool. Okay. His head looks like a pineapple. Okay, I shouldn't nitpick too much. Moving on. And I'm gonna draw Sasuke right here. Oh no, it's 1:44 right now. It's almost an hour. And I still have the whole wall to finish. Does it look like Sasuke? Kind of. I mean, kind of. And lastly, I'm going to draw Sakura-chan right here. Okay, it's 1:55. Can I finish this in like 5 minutes? Okay, so that was like exactly an hour. So now I'm just gonna go over it with pen. Okay, so guys, I think this is my first creation. So this took me about like an hour and 30 minutes. Let's just keep on going because I don't have much time. Let's see what I'm gonna get next. In you go. And next we have Spy Family. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so it's getting really, really hot inside. As you can see, the sun is beaming inside this room. The air conditioner is on, but the sun is overpowering. So while Naruto's over there, I think I'm going to draw over here just to be closer to the air conditioner. So there's going to be a huge gap in between. Despite my efforts, I was dying at the heat and the sun was in my way that I had to do something. So I actually stopped right here and took time to cover up the windows with some towels.
A few moments later.
So from the front, it looks something like this. And I have to say I struggled with Anya the most. Probably because it's the biggest, and also because there's a crack right around her shoulders. I don't have much time left, so let's just go with this. And we cannot forget her little Stella. Let me fill in this part. And I can't forget her cheeks. I mean, there's a few things I want to change, but for now, I'm good. Let's move on. So now that we filled in this part, and that part, let's work in the middle. So I just took a quick break, and it's around 5 p.m. right now. And the sun is already setting down. Like I said in the beginning, I only have natural light, so I don't have much time, guys. Time for the gacha. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, so what do we have here? We have Attack on Titan. Okay, so for Attack on Titan, I want to go like super huge. Like, I want to use up the whole space. Which actually helps because we have a big space to fill in. Let's draw Eren in a Titan form. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. Okay, since it's getting a little bit too dark, I brought my ring lights from my room. Okay, I hope this helps. And guys, look at my eraser. It was a completely normal eraser when I started. It's so deformed now. Let's go super huge. Oh wait, since I'm drawing Attack on Titan, let's add a little bit of spice to it. Okay guys, I'm ready. I mean, for a Titan, he has really nice hair. This may be the biggest drawing that I've ever done. I know you guys can't tell, but drawing big is a workout. Doing some squats. You need to be fit to draw big. And it's really hard to draw big because you can't look at the drawing unless you like get up and move 5 feet away. Up close you really can't tell. Art looks really different when you look at it from an angle. So something like this. So it's 5:52, so it took me like 50 minutes. Let's just go right in. I feel like I could do an ASMR with this. Just checking if it's in the camera. I think I am. Okay, so I did the outline, but I'm not done yet. I'm going to use a Copic marker to fill in his hair. And he has really shiny hair, and I want to recreate that. I'm just going to make these like quick swiping motions. And I'm just going to fill in the rest. I'm just going to hold the Copic marker like this, and I'm going to exaggerate some lines. just to give it that. Okay. Okay, let me bring you guys back to the front. Let me move this. Ta-da! I mean, probably my biggest drawing. You know, Eden doing that fighting pose. You know, I can't stop. I should just let it go. So guys, that is my third drawing. You know what, guys? I still have a little bit of space left on both sides. You know, like this part and this part. I've been drawing all day and I'm kind of getting tired. But a part of me really wants to fill those in. So you know what, guys? Let's keep on going. By the way, it's completely dark right now. It's so dark you can't see anything outside anymore. And the glass is turned into a mirror. Interesting. So Naruto, Attack on Titan, and Spy Family. Okay, gacha time! I'm gonna get some coins from the back. And let me put this down. This is the capsule. Let's see what's inside. Oh, so next up, Kimetsu. And look at my hand. Yeah, artist struggles. Kimetsu is basically Demon Slayer. Well, this wall is full of great animes. I love it. So Kimetsu, what shall I draw? The thing is, I've already drawn Kimetsu a couple of times. And I've done Tanjiro before, so I want to like switch things up. Maybe... How about Rengoku-san? I love Rengoku-san. Okay, Rengoku-san it is. Oh. I still had the cape on. Let me take it off. It's kind of bothering me while I'm drawing. Never mind, I changed my mind. I want to choose a different drawing. How about this drawing? Let me bring you guys up close. By the way guys, Kimetsu no Yaiba was like super big in Japan. It was like all over the stores, all over the internet. How popular was Kimetsu no Yaiba in your country? I'm just really curious. Update on my eraser. It's so tiny now. So here's Rengoku-san. I only went up to his thighs because I don't think his whole body's gonna fit. And it's gonna look so weird. So I'm just gonna cut it out. So now, onto the outline. By the way, it's 6:51 right now. So again, this took me like 50 minutes. Cannot forget his decorations of his kimono. And that's basically it. But I'm not done yet. Should I fill in his eyebrows? Or do you think that's gonna like make it pop too much? Let's just do it. Okay, yeah, that's definitely better. So Rengoku-san, check. Oh my gosh, guys, it's filling up. And lastly, guys, let's fill in that gap. And I'm gonna call it a day. This part's the hardest because it has that line in the middle, like right in the center. I guess I'm gonna try my best to avoid it, but let's see. Okay, final one. There's not much left. In you go. What do we have here? And this is it, guys. For the last one, oh, I went into my sleeves. That was like a magic trick. So the last one is going to be Pokemon! I really didn't think it was gonna be my last one. Pokemon it is. I mean, honestly, it's kind of funny though. Like, we've got all these like strong anime characters, and then there's gonna be Pokemon. So what a draw. I'm kind of tired of drawing like Pikachu and Eevee. So how about like the newest starters? By the way guys, I love the newest game. I played the Scarlet and the Violet, and I literally played it for like 24/7 for the whole month. Maybe like 3 right here. By the way guys, I also had like SAO and One Piece, and a few other animes. Which I guess worked out because I could just like go around this line. By the way, Sprigato is definitely my favorite one. So cute. So sprecato, pogueta. Something like this. Okay, and last one, guys. The final one is gonna go right here. How's that? Last but not least, Pokemon. I think in my opinion, Naruto turned out the best, but what do you guys think? I mean, like, look at how big this drawing is. I mean, I'm quite small, but still, I just had a lot of fun today. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!